Rich people's pensions getting more and more richer, as it were, annoys me. And one of the reasons it annoys me is this. Look at that. UBS rich clients get Goldman PIMCO strategies with no extra fees. Yes, you guessed it. They share it amongst themselves and they don't let the regular people know some of this know-how and information. My job is to get that information because as a hedge fund manager, we get a lot of this crossing my desk and share it with as many people as possible, albeit with the caveats that if you are investing, there is of course risk to capital. Well, that exists even if you put your money in a Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust, which loses 50% in 2022. So be careful that you don't overtrust the experts. The best expert ever to trust is yourself. Make yourself an expert and trust yourself because nobody cares about your money more than you do. To take the first step in that direction, have a look at all the free resources I've made available as part of my campaign to teach 1 million people how to be better investors. The free resources are at alpeshpatel.com/links. The link is in the bio. Don't forget to like and follow for more. Thank you.